So how can you open an iCloud in your Android phone? And let's get into it. A lot of people are wondering about it because perhaps they had an iPhone before with so much iCloud information stored. So how can you open it inside of your Android phone? Well, it kind of works even though it's not the best user experience, but you can access your iCloud storage and photos and other stuff through a web browser. So you can open up Google Chrome or any other web browser which you use and literally just type in iCloud.com. And then you'll be able to just sign in with your Apple ID, which is like an email or a phone number, and of course your password. I keep reminding everyone that a lot of Apple ID accounts have the two-factor authentication enabled, so you will need to keep that in mind if you want to get inside of your account. But if you know and get access to all of that data, you'll be able to sign into iCloud and just open it, right? Like browse photos and check out the files and some other things as well. So let me know below in the comments if there are some other specific things which you are trying to do. For example, I recently made a video about how you can get all of your contacts from iPhone to Android even without iCloud. So I try to explain all of the possible scenarios and use cases for anybody. So thanks a lot for watching. Let me know below in the comments. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the next tutorial.